Hey guys, we received this WICHEMI indoor fountains tabletop for test and try. It's a fountain waterfall style 5, and you can see like comes in a nice protective box, and this is a bowl to have the water and the pump. Nice glass ball, crystal ball like on the top it will goes. So let me just set this up. So it will just sit on this, and I can put in the water and set up the assemble the pump and everything. So this have a LED light, this have a really nice the rock design, and then comes with everything that you need. So let me just set this up so you can also see like how to set this up. So this is a pump and a LED light attachment. This is a LED light attachment in here, so that will goes in the back along with the pipe. So just put it inside. So this light will go just in the back so that it will light up, and then the pipe will go in the pump. The pump have the suction cups that will stick to the bottom of this ball, and then you can easily just put in here. So this is all set up, and then be careful like just setting it up so that it will have a good nice base. And this one is for the ball, the plastic cup. I'm just putting in some water, and then started this. So once this started, you can see a really nice look of this LED lights. And then once this water started, you can also control the speed, but I will say to a higher speed so that the water will come and the ball will go. And you can see a very nice effect of this ball start rotating with the water flow, and then also with the light this glow up. So overall it's a very nice the design, and very nice water flow and the waterfall with a nice rotating ball on the top. So total height is around 19 centimeter and width is around 19.5 centimeter. So it put it on a table and looks really good and nice, and really have a nice impact of these lights with a very smooth waterfall and water flow. So I like this tabletop fountain thing because there is no water spill because of this bowl design, and the water is coming down and going back, and the rotating ball looks really nice and fun thing. So overall very nice waterfall and very nice design and the quality to go with, and you can just put it in a different setup on a table in a different things. So overall a very nice waterfall with the stacked rock design and LED light feature.